Hey guys, what's up? It's Dana. I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys. I get this question a lot. This question is, does Herbalife really work? So I'm doing this video in hopes that I won't continue to get this same question. So does Herbalife really work? Yes, it does. I would not be a distributor of Herbalife if it did not work. I would not sell it, and I would not buy it if it did not really work. So basically, here's my little journey. I'm trying to keep it short. My journey. When I turned 31, I decided to do Herbalife. I asked for a distributor package. My girlfriend has lost, like, I want to say over 30 pounds. She, like me, is not necessarily going for that weight, that number. It's more so of like feeling healthy and getting healthier. And also I know some other people who have, been on these medications. The doctors are like, oh, well, you have to take all these medications. And then they got on Herbalife and now they don't have to take any of them. That's why I became a distributor, like, right off the bat, because I know that it works. But for myself, like I said, I started August 1st, around there. And today is November 25th. And as far as weight loss goes, I've lost 15 plus pounds. And I have to say 15 plus because I don't know exactly how much weight I lost. Originally, I was not weighing myself. People were seeing that I was losing weight, and it was just kind of like, hey, Dana, like, how much weight have you lost? And I was like, I don't know, because I'm not weighing myself, because I'm not trying to lose weight. I just want to get healthier. But then, people started asking, so I started weighing myself. So like a month and a half in, since then I've lost 15 pounds, so 15 plus pounds. My 5K was my journey. Originally I used to jog. I used to jog, walk, jog, walk, jog, walk. So my 5K was it was like 40 some minutes. Currently my 5K is 35 minutes. The goal is to get it under 35 minutes and get it down to 30 minutes and then lower. After that, my next goal will be a 8K, and then after that it will be a 10K. I want to get to the point where I can, like, do half marathons and then marathons eventually. So yeah, that's my story. Like, I never have been a runner. I'm a long distance runner. I was a short distance runner, but I've never been a long distance runner. So I'm definitely happy with my results. I'm definitely happy with the way that I feel. Get into my little baby, my baby arms. I'm getting a little muscular. My stomach is down. Currently I just bought the 24 line. I will be starting that today. So I will do another video for you guys just to give you an update on how that's going. I will also do some other videos too, but I wanted to get this out there for you guys just so you can hear my testimony and know, like, my Herbalife journey. So yeah, and if you have any questions, all my information will be down below. My page here is Free Your Future 24/7, and that's pretty much how it goes. My Instagram is Free Your Future 24/7, and my email is freeyourfuture247@gmail as well. And my Herbalife information will be down there on my Facebook. But there you go, guys. That's all the information you need. I hope you enjoyed this video.